The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for the entire state of Nevada until further notice. At around 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, many large tornadoes were discovered on the ground all over in the affected areas. These tornadoes are extremely dangerous and large. This is a tornado outbreak. To protect your life, take cover now. All residents in the affected areas are strongly advised to seek an underground shelter now. Stay tuned for more updates on this dangerous situation.
Civil danger warning. The following message has been transmitted by the request of the United States government. The tornado cloud is now affecting the northwest, southwest, and a little bit of the west area of the USA. Large extremely dangerous tornadoes were everywhere on the ground, destroying anything in its path. All residents of the West United States are strongly advised to seek an underground shelter now. Anyone who's outside their shelters or don't have a shelter will face certain death no matter what you do. Stay tuned for more updates.
The tornadoes are gone, and the entire storm is over. Normal programming may now resume. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Nebraska State Police Department. Residents for the state of Nebraska, lock all of your doors immediately. The rumors were true. There were actually aliens in Area 51. And they were released. These aliens were attacking surrounding states of Nevada and Nebraska. These aliens were last seen at 6:45 a.m. entering the state of Nebraska. You know what that means. All residents in Nebraska and surrounding areas are strongly advised to shelter in place immediately. Don't wait. These aliens are very fast and can travel 5 states in 30 minutes should you choose not to. You're putting your life in extreme danger. Stay tuned to this station for more information and updates on this dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Ohio State Police Department. Residents for the state of Ohio, shelter in place immediately. At around 7:15 m, aliens from Area 51 have arrived to the state of Ohio, and were last seen attacking anything in their path. These aliens can travel 5 states in 30 minutes, so do not wait to shelter in place. Everyone in the state of Ohio, shelter in place immediately. Should you choose not to, you are putting your life in extreme danger. Stay tuned to this station for more information on this dangerous situation.
Welcome back to the Emergency News Network. Today, aliens from Area 51 have been released from the Area 51 military base in Nevada due to the storm that have occurred yesterday. The storm that struck all of the western United States. This is a very scary situation because of this nightmare storm. The Yellowstone supervolcano in Wyoming is at risk of erupting due to extreme damage that have occurred due to the tornadoes that struck in the state yesterday. We are hoping that this does not happen, but it's actually very likely to happen due to an earthquake that have occurred while the storm was in progress. All residents in Wyoming are ordered to evacuate immediately because the Yellowstone volcano is at risk of erupting and it is likely to happen. Stay tuned to the Emergency News Network or the Emergency Alert System for more information on this dangerous situation. We now return to regular programming.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Jacksonville City Police Department and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. These aliens have attacked almost all of the United States. Speaking of United States, the entire United States is expected to be affected by this dangerous situation 30 to 60 minutes. It has also been discovered by the Federal Emergency Management Agency that these aliens can replicate at any time and anywhere. All residents of the United States are ordered to shelter in place immediately. An underground shelter is also ordered to avoid the aliens squashing you to death. Stay tuned to this station for more information on this dangerous situation. This is an emergency action notification requested by the White House. All EAS participants shall follow activation procedures in the EAS operating handbook for a national level emergency. The President, or one of his representatives, will shortly deliver a message over the emergency alert system, or the emergency news network. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. We interrupt your regular programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. The aliens have spread all across the United States, including Central America and Canada. Over hundreds of deaths, attacks, injuries, and aliens have occurred as a result. Extreme. Ordered to shelter in place in a basement immediately. President will deliver a message to the American people shortly.
You must die! The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. 7.4 earthquake has struck the state of Wyoming. This earthquake has struck the state just now, and might have triggered the Yellowstone supervolcano to erupt, but it cannot be confirmed at this time. Stay tuned for more updates on this dangerous situation.
We interrupt your programming. This is a global emergency. Important instructions will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. The aliens from Area 51 has spread it across the entire globe. The entire world is in extreme danger now. The military is struggling to take care of this situation. This is a very life-threatening situation for the entire globe. All residents of planet Earth are ordered to get underground that is completely dark and silent. If you hear a roar from the aliens, hide immediately. We have never went through a time like this before. All attempts of destroying the aliens have failed, and have proven to be fatal. This is a very life-threatening situation. Stay tuned to this station for more information on this dangerous situation.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. Just now, the Yellowstone supervolcano just exploded, with nothing happening before the volcano erupted. As a result, all residents in Wyoming are ordered to evacuate immediately. Anyone 5 miles away from Yellowstone National Park, it is too late to evacuate, and you are ordered to stay in your shelters.